Okay.
Whoa! Whoa!
Michael, move back. Move back. So I can see her face.
Whoa! Whoa!
Why don't you sit like Emma?
Whoa!
Emma. Emma. Say hi, Daddy.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hi, Emma.
Whoa! Where's that Lumba? Uh-oh.
Michael, you're in the way. Don't get in the way.
Whoa!
Emma. Emma. Say hi, Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Ano naman dila niya? Her tongue. What?
Look at her tummy.
Big tongue. Say hi, Emma.
Whoa! You want one?
Emma.
Want me to give
Emma.
her one?
Emma. Say hi, Daddy.
Daddy, look it. Emma can eat it. Eat.
No, she doesn't like it. Yan. She's gonna get dirty. It's all over her. Ah! Okay. Michael, say hi to Daddy.
Whoa! Hi, Daddy. I miss you. Come home soon.
No.
But what do I say?
Say you love him and miss him and tell him ingat always.
I love you, Daddy. Ingat.